Hello everyone, in this tutorial I want to create auto material for landscape with two types of material, grass and some sands. We have variations like this, grass and some sands or rocks or cliffs. What do you want? Okay, thanks. Let's go. Okay, first thing first, go to games, select template and rename the project name landscape auto material. I want to use this to create new material. Hit create. First thing first, let's create a new level. Go to the basic level, hit create. Okay, after that we have to go right here, delete this landscape. From that, let's create landscape by selecting the landscape, create new, hit create. Okay, let's do some sculpting. Some deformation from the landscape. After that, we have to go here to the basics, add player start in this place, go to selection mode, select the player start, make it right here. Go save all, rename this one LV1, level number 1. Okay, fine. Now let's go here and create a material. Auto material. Drag this one in this place and let's go to the Fab Marketplace to download the assets, some materials. Okay, search for the grass material. And add the filter price to free. Let's choose this mossy grass. I want to choose the highest quality as possible, low quality. Add to my library, add to my project. After that, let's search for dirt. Dirt material, ice for free. Let's choose this up. Add to my project. Now let's close this. Downloading is finished. Let's go here and create material functions. First one is grass function. Second one is dirt function. Let's begin with the grass. Okay, first thing first, let's go here to the tab, Megascans surfaces, mossy grass, raw, material. Okay, textures, drag all of it, press shift, select all of them, make it like this. After that, let's add make material attributes node, this one, plug it here. After that, let's go and select the texture. The first one is the base color. For the base color, normal for the normal, and finally the mask. The red channel for the ambient occlusion, a green channel for the roughness, and the blue channel for the displacement. Search here for texture coordinates. multiply node and constant. The first one convert to parameter. This is grass scalar. Name this one. Default value set to 1. 1 is 100%. Drag all of those to the UV maps. I think the first function is done. Save all. Now let's move to the second function. Let's go here, surfaces, ground wrapper. And before that, we have to go ahead to the dirt function. Do the same thing. Make material attributes. Drag this function right here and search for the dirt. Let's go to tab, Megascans surfaces, ground wrapper, row. Okay, texture. Select all of those and drag it right here. Base color, normal, ambient occlusion, green channel for the roughness, and blue channel for the displacement. Okay, now texture coordinators. Add multiply node. Add constant. Set vector. Set default value to 1. Convert to parameter. Rename this one dirt scalar. And drag all of those to the UV maps. Save all. Now let's return to the auto material. Go to the content drawer. Go here to the content. Okay, before we continue, we have to go here to the grass function and hit apply. Dirt function, hit apply. And let's go here. The content drawer. Drag the first one grass function, second one dirt function. Now let's create the break material attributes. And here in the functions, we are making material attributes. Now we have to break this material attributes. To do that, we have to select this node. First one is grass. Control C, Control V. Second one is dirt. Okay, let's add between them linear interpolate. The function. Okay, the first one is dirt for the A, and B is the grass. Now let's add a world alignment blend. For the alpha, select the alpha. Now to blend between two of those materials, we have to add two constants. Constant, Control C, Control V. Okay, convert to parameter. This one, grass, sharpness, sharp, default value to 1 for now. Want to change it later. This one, grass PS. First one, let's drag it to the sharpness. Second one, let's drag it to the PS. Default value, it's the same 1. Now, from this layer, let's drag it to the base color. Let's move to the normal now. Let's duplicate this one, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, this lerp. Okay, first normal, this one for the B, second normal for the A. And drag this one normal map to the normal. Duplicate this layer another time. Now let's move to the ambient occlusion. And this one for the mask, this one for the A, and the other one for the B. Drag it to the ambient occlusion. Okay, save all. Okay, the problem, the automator is not showing like in this place. Okay, to fix this problem, we have to change the default value. Let's change the default one, the sharpness for 50. And look at this, it's changed. And this one -10, for example. -5. I think it's good. Okay, now let's go here for my auto material with apply. And go here, select the landscape. Once it's selected, let's go here to the landscape material, drag the automat. Okay, let's see the changes. It's not changed. Okay, let's go here and create material instance. Select this one and press this button. Now let's go here for my instance, drag it down, go to the global scaler, select all of them. Okay, let's change some values from here. Let's see some changes. Okay, I think it's good. Look at the two material. It works very fine. We have height and auto material. For this variation, we wanna fix this problem in the next tutorial. Let's see. Let's go here and see it works or not. Let's go here to sculpting. And let's make a height. Look at it. The material is changed. Okay, thank you guys. This is all for this tutorial. See you later in the next tutorial. Subscribe to the channel, hit like and comment, and support me in Patreon and link in the description for more tutorials like this.